Here's how to import products into Wave para yun launch but is signed in. Before you move any further, check that the correct business is selected. This matters because the products you upload will go into the business that is currently active in your account. Next, open Google Sheets in your browser. Create a new spreadsheet if you are starting from scratch, or open the spreadsheet you plan to use for the product import. Once the sheet is on screen, go to the top menu and click Extensions. In that menu, hover over Wave Connect to open its options. Then hover over Upload, and from the Upload submenu, click Products. At this point, Wave Connect will begin guiding you through the setup for a product import sheet. Follow the prompts on screen so the spreadsheet is prepared for product data in the format Wave expects. This setup step is important because it places the right structure into the sheet before you start adding information. After the spreadsheet is ready, enter or paste your product details into the required columns. Use the columns provided by Wave Connect and place each product on its own row. If you already have product information saved somewhere else, copy it carefully into the matching columns in the Google Sheet. When the data is in place, take a moment to review the sheet. Look over the product information and make sure the required fields are completed. This is the point to catch missing entries, misplaced values, or anything that does not belong in the required columns. A quick review here helps avoid upload issues later. Once the spreadsheet looks correct, use the Wave Connect upload process to submit the product data from Google Sheets to the Wave business you selected earlier. Follow the prompts in Wave Connect until the upload is sent. If the tool takes a moment to process, wait for it to finish before leaving the sheet. After the upload is complete, go back to Wave. From the left-hand menu, open Sales and Payments, then click Products and Services. This will bring you to the list where your imported items should appear. Check the list to confirm that the products from your spreadsheet are now showing in Wave. If they appear there, the import has gone through for the selected business and the product records are now available in your account. Thanks for watching. Your products are now imported into the products and services list in your selected Wave business.